Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial comparisons. JPMorgan Chase and HSBC USA, which bank reigns supreme? We'll dissect their strengths and weaknesses to help you make the best decision for your financial needs. For easy access to helpful resources and product links, check the description below. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and HSBC USA depends entirely on your individual banking requirements. Are you focused on extensive domestic coverage, international banking capabilities, maximizing credit card rewards, or perhaps specialized investment services? JPMorgan Chase, a dominant force in U.S. banking, presents a comprehensive suite of financial products. From personal and small business banking solutions to mortgages, lucrative credit card rewards programs, wealth management services, and a wide array of loan options, Chase caters to diverse needs. Their vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide, coupled with a user-friendly digital platform, creates a convenient one-stop shop for individuals and businesses alike. Chase stands out for its accessibility, domestic reach, and highly competitive credit card offerings. Conversely, HSBC USA, leveraging the strength of a global banking giant, focuses on clients with international ties and those requiring cross-border financial solutions. If your needs include global banking services, foreign exchange capabilities, multi-currency accounts, or streamlined access to international markets, HSBC offers distinct advantages. Their premier and advanced banking packages deliver tailored benefits for customers with international income streams or overseas investments. While HSBC's U.S. branch network isn't as extensive as Chase's, their digital tools, global presence, and dedicated personal relationship managers attract individuals and businesses operating on an international scale. HSBC's credit cards and deposit products are geared towards frequent travelers and those holding assets abroad, rather than strictly domestic banking customers. Regarding fees, interest rates, and minimum balances, both banks offer avenues for reduction or waiver. Customer service experiences can vary, but both institutions provide multiple support channels, including phone, online chat, and, in Chase's case, a vast network of physical branches. In conclusion, if you prioritize domestic convenience, a strong credit card portfolio, and comprehensive everyday banking services within the U.S., JPMorgan Chase is likely the better choice. However, if your financial activities extend beyond U.S. borders, and you require international banking services, global market insights, and specialized packages for cross-border transactions, HSBC USA may be a more suitable fit. Ultimately, the best choice hinges on your personal or business priorities, geographical scope, and the complexity of your financial needs. Carefully weigh these factors to determine which institution aligns best with your unique circumstances.